Hey my YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel, sharing with you a very healthy sugar-free Magnum ice cream recipe which packs 15 grams of protein and 160 calories per serving. Just compare that to the whopping 40 grams of sugar and 500 calories per serving which you get in a retail bought Magnum ice cream. So without any delay, let's get started with the recipe. So the first ingredient is chopped bananas. Next goes in peanut butter, low-fat Greek yogurt, honey, chocolate protein powder and unsweetened cocoa powder. I'll use a high-speed blender to blend it all until it gets smooth and creamy. So now you can see my thick ice cream mixture is ready. I'll gradually pour this into my ice cream molds. I'll cover it up, add my popsicle sticks and freeze this for 5 hours. After 5 hours, this is how the ice cream looks. Now I'll coat this with melted dark chocolate. Now top with crushed almonds and this is ready to serve. So if you're anything like me and crave sugar desserts all the time, this healthy sugar-free Magnum ice cream is the way to go, guys. It's just so much better than the retail bought Magnum ice cream which is just loaded with sugar. This one is guilt-free and so delicious. Healthy sugar-free Magnum ice cream is the way to go, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Share this with all your health-conscious buddies and trust me, they're gonna love this. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time, bye guys.